How do we get the soil to work with us, instead of us working against the soil? My name is Jens Peder. I'm 49 years old, and I am a farmer here at Salling. I've taken over my parents' farm, which has been in the family since 1910. As a farmer, I work with no-till, and I'm transitioning towards regenerative farming, which brings many challenges, including having a good crop rotation. And I'm also very focused on ensuring we have a financial bottom line that adds up. The financial aspect is the foundation. Then we have some environmental bottom lines we must meet. And we're also beginning to have some biodiversity goals. And so you try to search for that golden point where these bottom lines come together, while at the same time we have fewer and fewer pesticides to work with. Well, we're standing here amongst faba beans and oats, which I have tried sowing together to get some good weed competition. Both species grow nice and tall, they haven't been sprayed, and while there are some weeds, there aren't very many. And as something a bit special this year, I've tried sowing some chickpeas. Chickpeas along with oats, and the chickpeas mature quite a bit later. The oats act as a support and a companion crop, perhaps ensuring that we get a consistent yield and good weed competition across the entire field. In terms of sales, a mixed crop like this one is very difficult to sell, and since I don't have any animals on my own to feed it to, that would make it easy. If I must sell it today, it has to be sorted, and it costs a lot of money to separate them, without the products gaining any higher value. I don't have a reliable sales channel, and I can't sit on 20 or 30 tons of a product that I can't get rid of. I mean, I just can't. It's not feasible. But I think that if you as a farmer are considering whether it's something worth trying, then there's no harm in getting a small amount of seed. And if you have an oat field, you could sow some peas and faba beans mixed for half a pass, or 500 square meters, because then you can see for yourself how it behaves. Then you get a bit of an idea. I believe it's something that can be built up slowly if possible, because one of the agendas in all of this is that we need to get some plant-based proteins onto people's tables. We must simply continue to be open-minded, and that includes things like this. And that is also one of the reasons why I, as a farmer, am testing it out and looking into it, because it's interesting. And I'm a little sad that it's located back here, far from the road, because it's about goodwill and having people see some of the things that we're working to develop.